content video has been created for information and education purpose only. They are not NCB registered advice. Before performing any trades, please contact your financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. I hope all are fine. Let's see Bank Nifty key levels for tomorrow. We could see the downtrend has been started. नीचे की तरफ से बहुत सारा अच्छा खासा पुल बैक मिला है. सो यहाँ का जोन रीटेस्ट हुआ है जो 58,906 जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला हुआ था. यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बायर्स का जोन था जो अभी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग की सपोर्ट एक्ट किया. उसके बाद यहाँ से वापस सारा पुल बैक दिया इनको. सो इट हैज़ चेंज द लेवल बैक टुवर्ड्स अप ट्रेंड. सो मे बी नाउ इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू फॉर्म वन what say a pattern. So it has formed a good head and shoulder pattern. So it may fall from here. So as of now we don't know. It may start a downtrend from here, but let's see if tomorrow it is forming a good breakout. Then we may see this moves towards up, and again it gonna form an all-time high. Else if we see a downtrend from here tomorrow, so then on the retest we will plan for a put side entry. So for tomorrow the key levels will be, if the first 15 minutes as a breakout happens and it stays back at the 59,880, then on the retest like 59,800 पे या 850 780 पे, if it is again a strong bullish candle forms, we will plan for a call side entry to the higher high. And if there is it will be a gap down open and it goes and retests this zone, and if it starts pulling back, pushing back, so I will wait for this first drop, and 59,582 पे वापस जब ये pull back होके retest होगा इस zone, then I will start like bearish ही रहा तो 59,793 या same 59,740 to 790 के 700 के zone पे I will plan for a put side. After that we will plan for a put side entry. So that's where the key levels for tomorrow. A good call side entry if it is breaks out beyond 59,880. On the retest we will plan 59,800 पे हम plan करेंगे call side पे. So the key levels is, again I'm telling you, if it is above 59,850, if it is breaks out, then you can plan at 59,770. If it is gap down and it is retesting this zone 59,780 पे ही वापस pull back हो जाता है, तो then it is downtrend started, because जो भी यहाँ पे higher high फॉर्म हो रहे थे वो यहाँ पे ब्रेक हो जाएगा, और लोअर लो ब्रेक होने के बाद if it wants a pull back we can plan 59,700 पे, we can plan for a put side entry which will be a good one. Same if I see for the Nifty it shows because the major thing is यहाँ पे मेरे को एक triangle pattern जैसा लग रहा है, because as of now only 2 hit has happened, but if it forms 3 then it is a confirmed one. So अगर ये वापस यहाँ पे retest हो जाता है कल और यहीं से bearish start हो जाता है, then we will start bearish trend again back. So that's the major thing for me thinking on the downward. But as of now market shows as bullish, because Nifty is showing to break the all-time high again because of the box zone, because on the greater trend I could see a box has got formed over here. So as of now a small pullback is expected, and after that this may start a good new and higher high by this month end, and after that it may start falling. But as of now, since because of this strong buyers and this strong box zone, I don't feel अगर breakout होता है फिर 26,340 पे वापस एक बार, then I feel a strong bullish candle, then I may see a good higher high. Until that it may trade in this channel. So अभी के लिए इस channel पे trade करेगा. So maybe अगर कल gap down open होता है तो उसके बाद एक अच्छा खासा call मिलेगा. So I will plan for a call at 2680. If it is retouches, I will plan for a call side entry on Nifty, and then if it breaks beyond this box 26,320 के above break होता है यहाँ से ही तो again on the retest, once it breaks out and then it forms a retest, वहाँ पे मैं plan करूँगा Nifty के call side. But the first call will be from here, and if it is again forms a bearish candle over here 26,300 पे, then we can go for one more strong put side entry for here. That's it for plan tomorrow. Thank you. Just note down the key levels. So 26,310 same for a put if it is a bearish candle, and 2680 for a call if it is a stronger bullish candle over here. So अभी ये जो मॉर्निंग जो भी हो सकता है, जिस 26,170.45 to 2680 you can do a good scalp, but I would not recommend unless and until it reaches a good support or resistance zone. Thank you. Trade safe, and please do subscribe our channel and follow us for more updates.